The remarkable Rox e-Xtreme, an exclusive prototype, shall not embark on the journey to mass production. This audacious concept was conceived by Opel, drawing inspiration from the ingenious design of Lukas Wenzhöfer, an aspiring design student who emerged victorious in the thrilling at Opel Design Hack competition. Opel, the esteemed German automaker, made a steadfast commitment to materialize the vision of the contest's champion, and today it honors that pledge by breathing life into the extraordinary electric buggy. Wenzhöfer harbors a grand vision for the Roxy, a vision that entails transforming it into a breathtaking all-terrain vehicle that exudes sheer excitement. In comparison to its conventional quadricycle counterparts, this concept boasts an array of distinctive features. However, perhaps the most captivating aspect lies nestled within that prominent rear wing, a wing generously borrowed from the illustrious Vectra GTS V8. But wait, there's more to captivate the senses. The front facade now unveils a fresh interpretation of Opel's iconic visor, embellished with captivating LED headlights and a resplendent turquoise accent that breathes life into the Opel emblem.